So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Temu. So first of all, download the app through the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you will see here it says Temu. Open it up. From here you can see home, categories, your card. You can see up in the search bar, you can see some products being promoted on the home page as well. Now in order to get a refund, you will need to go to the option U, which will be at the bottom of the page. You can see your orders, messages, and reviews. Go to your orders. Now through here you can see all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Now through here, once you have orders, and make sure that you are logged into the correct account since orders are strictly linked to certain accounts. In order to get a refund, you will need to go to delivered. So it will be a specific order that you made and that you've gotten. You will see the option return/refund. It'll be below your order. Now you can select the items you want to return, or if you actually need to return some items and select the reason why. You can even add photos, which will be easier than to identify the problem. You can add comments as well. Now, after you've done that, you will start the refund and return process. If you need to return the item, just package it, and every first return is free. So it's quite easy, and Temu makes it quite accessible. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.